Hi, now I'm going to show you how to connect a Google Drive or Google Gmail service account to your APARAVI Data Toolchain. The APARAVI Data Toolchain helps you to get the information out of your unstructured data, which you're going to need and want to utilize for your next AI project. So since for us it does not matter where the data resides, we need to connect those kind of data sources. And one part of that, how to connect the Google Drive, I'm going to show you today. As always, with connecting sources to the toolchain, you need to go to the tab Sources and then press the plus sign here. And there you find Gmail and G Drive. Once you choose one of those, you can choose here between personal and service account. How to connect the personal, I do show in another video, which you can watch, but how to connect the service account. For this, you first have to do a bunch of steps in between your Google Cloud. And those we're going to explain as well, just so that it's easier for you to get through the whole process. To create the needed service account key file, we first need to have a project for which we can create a service account and enable the APIs. And to be allowed to do this, the prerequisite is that we, or the user for which we are setting it up, is an organization policy administrator. Even so, if you are a super user in your organization, you are not that. So getting those administrator rights is the first step I would take. How to do so? Please go to your Google console. Then one way is to go via your projects up here, press one of those three dots, go to IAM and permissions. Create or grant access, choose the account you want to give those role, and then here select that role, organization policy admin. Choose it and then press save. As you can see on the left hand side, I already did that beforehand. Now, once you are your organization's policy administrator, we do have a guide for you to follow the next steps. So we first want to create a project, and you can just follow those links which are going to guide you through. First of all, they're always going to bring you to the Google guide for this specific task. And if you click on this, you're right with the project creation. We just call it G-Connect, the project name. So give it any name you wish. Click on Create, and voila, your project is created. So now we do jump back to the next step in our guide. So to create a service account. We open it here and want to enable the API for it. Getting forwarded to the right step, just watch out that you are with the correct project up here, G-Connect in our case. And we want to click Next and enable that API. The next step, which is shown here, is create a service account. So now let's create a service account. And we want to create it for the project we just created. The service account name, you can give it any name you want to. I just call it G-Connect service. And there you go. Create and continue. I just say done. So now we have the service account created.